Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to unbox another new subscription box. However, this is not a new box. This box is quite famous among ladies. This is the July GlamEgo box. So please ignore Zoro's tail. So I have tried boxes before, but this is my first time trying GlamEgo box, which says India's #1 beauty box. Let me unbox and see if the claim is right or not, and see what products we got in this month. So as you can see, the box looks like this. So this is some floral print here, which I really love, and the color of this box is dusty light pink color. I really love this simplistic design on this box. And now let's open. The box opens like this. This has a magnetic like a closure, and this box looks like this. First we see this card which has the description and product listing here. This box is 5 steps Korean style skincare routine, 10 brands in one box, and we have also some free samples. The one thing I can notice in the first go that they have listed all the products here that's inside the box, but they haven't included their price in this card, so you have to check the bottom of the products to see how much they are priced at. First thing first, I have this Kamaakshi Seaweed cucumber face mask. I really love this brand. So recently this brand approached me and sent some of their products to me and told me to try them out, and if I like them I should share my views with my readers. So I did. I really love this brand. They have a rose water which is really cool. The rose water is really awesome. You can definitely go and try that. I have all the details about this brand on my Instagram, so please follow me on my Instagram here. This is the Seaweed and Cucumber face mask. This is a natural brand, totally handmade, natural and free from any toxic chemicals. This is a deep cleansing and skin lightening face mask. I don't believe in skin lightening much, but I believe that it will give me a glow and brighter looking skin, which I really need right now. So this is a 30-gram product and it's priced at rupees 650. Next we have this Aroma Magic sunblock lotion. I have used it in the past. I really love this product, except the fact that it makes your skin a little whitish. If you apply this at once, your skin would look like that it has given you some kind of a white cast, which is very common in sunblock lotions, which I don't like. It has SPF 30 PA++. The price is not mentioned in this tube. If I find the price, I will list it in the description box. Also, if you need any kind of information about this box, I will leave everything in the description box. Next we have this makeup remover balm from a brand called Pretty Woman. I have never heard about this brand. I believe this is quite a new brand. So this is a makeup remover balm with orange and watermelon and argan oil and vitamin E. So it sounds really great. Also, I believe it gives you a really nice hydration because of the vitamin E and argan oil. This is a 9.5-gram product, and also the price is not mentioned in this packaging. Next is this under eye roll-on by Tazba or Tuzba, I don't know how to pronounce it. This is the Tazba Naturals Ice Tea under eye roll-on, 9 ml, and it's priced at 450. I don't know what product is this. It has a strong smell of menthol. Zoro is also addicted to it. I feel it will give some kind of a cooling sensation to your under eye area and soothe it and relax your eyes. Next up we have this Japanese face wash, Adzuki Bean. This is by a brand called Global Beauty Secret. I have never used anything from this brand yet. This is a 10 ml product. This is totally a sample size, a travel size. You can travel with it. As usual, the price is not mentioned. I will definitely try this out and share my views with you. Next up we have this Herb Island Vitamin C Glow Boosting and Anti-Aging Scrub Face Wash. As the description says, this is a scrub plus face wash. I really love this kind of product that works in multiple ways. This is that I haven't opened it yet. This product is free from sulfate and parabens, and it's for all skin types. It's cruelty free, vegan, planet wise made, and made in Australia. This is a 100 ml product and price is 475. It's quite expensive for a 100 ml product. Let me use and see how the results are. Next up, we have 3 pouches here. I'm very excited about this part. This is the Hip Hop nose strip. I have used it earlier and it works really nice for your stubborn blackheads. Next up, we have this multi-seed roasted super snack from a brand called Kio's. I have heard about this brand. I have seen several influencers having this and Instagram. So this is from Kio's and this is roasted super snack multi-seed. This is a gift pack, like a small sample size. This is actually a slightly sweet mix of roasted wholesome super seeds, rich in omega-3, rich in protein, rich in calcium and rich in vitamin A. And it has green pumpkin seeds, flax seeds, watermelon seeds, sesame seeds and dry dates. If you are traveling, this would be a great snack to munch on. And the next part and last part, I really love this part. So this is from a brand called Greco and it's a package of green coffee. I believe they have sachets inside. When I found about green coffee, I was really intrigued. I have already browsed through Amazon for green coffee, but I was not sure which brand to pick up. So I'm really thankful to GlamEgo for sending this across so that I can try and see how I like it. I am a coffee lover and I've tried 3 or 4 kinds of coffee, but I've never tried green coffee. So I'm really looking forward to this. This is decaffeinated, no preservatives, no additives, no stimulative. It has 10 sachets and this is priced at $135 and this is a free sample. Green coffee has several health benefits. I will tell you in another video. And this is the last product of this box and we have officially emptied this box. So let me know which products you love the most. I am looking forward to trying more than 1 product from this box. I'm really excited to try most of their products. And also, if you want to stay updated with me and my reviews and my views, please follow me on Instagram. I do stories when I try new products and share my favorite products, everything on Instagram. So please do follow me on Instagram. So the link will be in the description box. So this was my review and unboxing of this month's GlamEgo box. If you want to order, please go through the description box, read the info yourself and decide whether you want to try it or not. So that was it about this video. I will see you in my next video very soon. Also, new contents are coming. I will be more regular in uploading videos. So please stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. And also like this video and share it with your friends and family if you like. I will see you very soon. Bye.